Terima kasih sudah klik video ini. Tapi jangan lupa guys, klik tombol subscribe karena subscribe itu gratis. Dengan subscribe kamu support channel ini terus untuk upload hampir setiap hari. Ingat, subscribe itu gratis. Gak ada ruginya kamu klik tombol subscribe guys. Selamat menonton. Enjoy.
If you don't wanna see me, did a full 180, crazy, thinking about the way I was. Did the heartbreak change me? Maybe, but look at where I ended up. I'm all good already, so moved on, it's scary. I'm not where you left me at all.
Kita akan menunjukkan mobil kita yang kayaknya laju guys. Sebelum kita masuk, kita pilih lagi apa-apa yang bagus kita pilih guys. Ini favorit lagi. Ya guys, itu sudah di dalam guys. Coba dulu guys.
What the fuck?
Nggak finish guys. Kita coba lagi ya guys.
Emang apa sih nggak boleh? Sombong amat.
Kalian bisa lihat ya bagaimana. Iya, itu aja ya guys. Kencang sekali guys mobilnya.
Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo, you gotta take it slow. You can't be a pro, don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power.